Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll walk through, step by step, how to manage purchase orders from your suppliers on ZonWizard, from the initial creation to receiving your goods. We'll see how ZonWizard simplifies the entire process by introducing automation and optimized tools. Before we dive in, please make sure you've already created your suppliers and linked the relevant products to them. If you haven't done this yet, I recommend checking out our previous tutorials. If you're ready, let's get started. There are 3 ways to create a purchase order. The first is the automatic method. The system generates pre-filled drafts for all low-stock products across all your suppliers, suggesting the optimal quantities. The second is the manual method, starting from a specific supplier. The third starts directly from your product selection. Let's start with the fully automatic method. Go to Inventory, Purchase Orders, and click the Automatic Drafts button. ZonWizard will automatically identify all low-stock items and create separate orders for each supplier. The suggested quantities are calculated based on sales velocity, minimum order quantities, and your desired days of stock coverage. If you prefer to create an order for a specific supplier, just click the plus button and select them from the drop-down menu. If you enable the Pre-fill with low-stock products option, the system will automatically add the items that are running low for that supplier. Otherwise, you can manually add products in the next step. Alternatively, you can create a purchase order directly from the overview page. Simply select the products you want using the checkboxes and click the cart icon. ZonWizard will generate 1 or more orders based on the suppliers assigned to those products, always following your reorder settings. Once you've created an order, open its detail page. Here, you can manage its entire life cycle, which consists of 4 stages. The first stage is quotation. In this step, you can add or remove items, adjust quantities, and specify the packaging type. Once the details are set, you can download the report to request a quote from your supplier. When you receive the pricing, you can upload it via an Excel file or enter it manually, including both product and shipping costs. At this point, the system provides a margin preview. If the numbers look good, confirm the order to move to the next step. By setting the status to ordered, you indicate that the order is officially confirmed. At this stage, the products are no longer marked as low stock, but are now labeled as incoming. Now, you simply wait for the shipment. When the supplier confirms the dispatch, click Confirm Shipped. The shipped status means the goods are on their way. Here, you can add tracking information and the expected delivery date. When the products arrive at your warehouse, click Confirm Received. The received status is the final stage. Your stock levels are automatically updated, and the quantities become available in your inventory. The order is now complete. An extremely useful feature is the option to ship directly to Amazon FBA warehouses. By enabling this, a draft inbound shipment is automatically created, containing all the products and quantities from your order. In this case, when the order is received, your internal warehouse stock will not increase, as the goods are sent directly to Amazon. You can monitor all your orders from the list view. Here, you can perform bulk actions. For example, selecting multiple orders to mark them all as received at once. Always remember to check quantities and dates before changing a status, and feel free to add notes for future traceability. And that's it. Now you know how to create and manage every stage of your purchase orders. This gives you total control over your supply chain, making your operations smooth and well-structured. If you found this tutorial helpful, keep following our guides to make the most of all ZonWizard features. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.